Hey guys, this is RD Techie, and in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the Mi dual driver earphones. I bought these as a gaming earphone for my PC, so I didn't see many videos about that in that sort of an aspect. So I thought I'll give it a look, and let's jump right into it. So as you guys can see, it's all well, you guys can't see because Canon's like nubra, but it is sealed. I'm sorry, it is sealed, and we're gonna go ahead and just rip it open. I don't know where my knife is. Oh, there's my knife. That's a knife. We got it, and we're just gonna open that. Oh, jeez. There you go, and we. Let's pull that out, put the knife back in the thing so I don't stab myself. And it comes in a little bit of a packet, and the box seems to have something else. Yeah, what is it? Is it just a partition to just make it look pretty? And you have some extra ear tips. I'm guessing different sizes. That's cool. I didn't know that was a thing. Very nice to see. And the manual, so which we will not be using. So there's a manual, but you know, and I'm gonna have to go look for it in a second when I don't know what I'm doing. But this should be fairly straightforward because it is not a USB-C or anything like that. This is a proper 3.5 mm headphones. Now, earphones. The reason I'm getting this is because it's starting to get very hot where I live, and gaming headphones tend to make your ears feel very spicy. So I thought maybe earphones were the way to go. Logitech has, I believe it's the G533. It's or it might be G355. I don't know. I'll put the actual name somewhere here. Where? There. Yeah, there. So a G533, I think. They're very nice. They're USB Type-C earphones, and they give you really nice sound. It's got all that, but it's pretty expensive. It's about 10 times the price of these things, and these do have the magnetic thing, by the way. That's pretty cool. So this one is around 799 to 800 rupees. You may get it even cheaper on sale, so give them a look. The MRP I think is 1,000 rupees, which is about $12. But usually you'll get it around 800 because Amazon just puts a high MSRP anyway. So pretty cool looking ones. You get one set of ear pluggy thingies. What are they called? I don't know what they're called. The silicone ear tips. And I think those are the medium that's on there. You also get large and small, I believe, in here. That's what it looks like. So very nice deal for around 800 rupees. So the Logitechs are around 8,000 rupees, and I may end up buying it if this one's not very good. But I was looking at many different earphones, and this one stood out because it's dual driver. That means each earphone has two drivers, one for the bass and one for kind of acting like a subwoofer, I guess, in a way you want to put it. But, you know, it has two drivers on each ear, as this is my understanding. I may be wrong. Please let me know if I'm wrong. But so each earphone has two drivers to give you bass as well as the mids or the highs. I'm no audiophile expert, so probably completely wrong what I've just said, but not many dual driver earphones are around. So I thought, if I'm going for a gaming earphone, the one issue I had when I was using my regular earphone for gaming is that it's not loud enough for me. So this shouldn't be a problem with dual driver earphones. So we'll be checking that out. I'm going to just take a second to say I love the, I don't know if I can show you this because I don't, it's not focusing. Oh God. All right. So this is aluminum, which is very nice. It is not plastic. This is kind of like this rubbery thing, so it feels kind of premium. It could be plastic and it just looks aluminum. I don't know. It looks solid. I think it is aluminum. It's brushed aluminum. And then you have the bag there. That's pretty cool. And you have the inline control for your volume and multifunction key. All right. Okay, so you have an inline control. You have the volume up, volume down, as well as the interaction key, which you usually use to take a call or hang up a call when you're using it with the phone. We're not going to be using it with the phone. I game on PC. That's where my focus is, and that's where this is going to get used. So I'm going to just plug this in, and we're going to not plug this in. I'm going to see how it looks, how it feels, because a lot of it, for me, it's just going to come down to comfort, because if it feels too, I want to say tight, if it feels too constrained when you have it in your ear, that's kind of annoying. I do not like that. I like it, but I also need to not fall apart every time I move my head. I don't want it popping off. So we're going to just check. Goes in. Very comfortable. Noise canceling is pretty good, because you can't really hear what you're saying. You can, but in a muffled way. So that's pretty good. I have it here and here. I'm gonna go ahead and plug this one into the PC. Okay. So very good. I don't know what the situation is with the bleed, but I've got a song right in there. The mic's not detecting it, so I'm guessing it's no bleed, which is great. I love the quality. The soundstage is very nice, but music is not what I got this for. So I'm going to go ahead and hop into a game and show you how that may be, and just share what I feel. The soundstage is very centered, and the volume's very nice. It's high enough. It's not too loud. I would like it to go a little bit louder, because I can always adjust it and put it down, but I can't really put it further up than its limit. So that is a problem. But aside from that, I'm really honestly quite surprised with it so far. So we've jumped into Apex, and we're going to go ahead and just test it out. So far, the sound's been pretty good. I'm just going to wait for C to get capped, and then I'll just go ahead and join in. Ah, we died. But the soundstage is very good. For earphones, it's a solid option, just because for gaming earphones, I would say even, because you have the volume, you have the dual drivers. I'm going to take this off because it is loud. It does get loud. It's not as loud as I would like it, because I could always, like I said, I could always lower volume, but I can't go above the limit. But what I do like about it is the fact that because of the dual drivers, they can kind of give you a nice soundstage, can give you a nice proximity of where your enemies are, where the footsteps are. And this is on PC. I would assume it's the same on mobile. Like I said, I'm not a mobile gamer, so I wouldn't be able to judge either way. The volume the effect, the music effects were great. It's not very bassy, but it is clear. And I like a clear sound when I listen to music, because that's kind of the stuff I tend to go with. So even in that aspect, I'm very happy with it. And I think if you're playing games on PC and you want to use something that's an earphone that's cheap, but gives you a good enough oomph that it doesn't make you miss headphones, then this would be it. Obviously, headphones are a lot more, detailed. The sound is a lot clearer in a lot of ways. But when it's very hot and it's in the summers, it really is impossible to keep a pair of headphones on my head, because it just gets very spicy within my ears. So this is a good way for me to just step away from that, have that, airflow around about my ears, but not cupping it down. But at the same time, still get some of the definition I like in gaming audio through my earphones. So this definitely surprised me. The cable style, I know I didn't spend too much time in it. It's nothing completely different. It has this weird wired look. It's braided, but it's thin. It says it's anti-tangle. The problem I find with it is this end that goes from the inline or like the splitter all the way up to the earphones, that's the part that's going to take most of the damage, and that just looks like exposed normal rubber coated wire to me. So I don't know if that was a good idea. I think if they had the same kind of braided material across, that would have been better. But like I said, 800 rupees, and I can't imagine the Logitech headphones or earphones being worth 10 times the price. So if you're looking for a gaming earphones, you don't want to spend too much on it, give these a look. The dual drivers do help for sure in bringing in that sound stage, and I can assure you that. And yeah, definitely going to be using this quite a bit in my own gaming setup, just because it's very hot and I don't want to add in more temperature to myself while I'm gaming for a long time. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you hit that big red button, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a very nice time. Bye-bye.